Good morning! Today it's Sunday and I'm actually in Sweden at Rebecca. Yay! But as you can see, I'm not there yet. It's Thursday when I record this video and I'm going to pack my stuff to go there, and I thought it would be fun to take you along. I actually received some packages today which I'm gonna unbox, and I thought, well, let's just take you along. And after it I will be packing my bags to go to Sweden, to Rebecca. So first unboxing. I got two packages today. A little one and a very big one. And I'm gonna open the third one. And I hope it is what it is, because otherwise it would be kind of strange to unpack it in front of you. Oh yes, it is what I thought it would be. I actually ordered a small tripod. As you can see, it is really small, but I thought it would come handy when I will be visiting Rebecca. We will be recording a Q&A. We don't know yet if we will do a live Q&A on YouTube or we will just record it and schedule it later. So I thought, either way, I need a tripod to get my camera under. I also got an extra part to get my phone on this little tripod. If we are doing a live stream, it can only be recorded by phone. So therefore, yeah, I ordered the extra part. So I'm not sure how we're gonna do it yet, but then I can just figure it out. So it looks really nice, and you can bow all these things, so you can just set it on something or just put it on the table. That's also fine. Okay, so now it's time to open the second box. A little background story on what is inside. I wanted something like this since I was 13 years old, I think. And then it just got out of fashion. So I was like, oh no, I can't buy it anywhere. And I was looking for it for so long. And now it's finally back into style and into fashion. So I finally was able to order such a thing. So I'm really happy, and I'm gonna open it now. So you can see what is inside. And I hope it is as awesome as I think or thought it would be. It is a bag. It's a really nice leather, cognac leather weekend bag. And I wanted this since I was like 13 years old, but then it got out of style, the colors and stuff. And now it's finally back at it again. So I can finally order it and see how this looks. Oh, I'm so curious. Oh, you can smell the leather already. Look at this. Oh, I actually really like it. It's super pretty. Oh, the smell of this is awesome. Let's see if I can just... Oh yeah, this is great. You got some extra back in there. You got some extra chain so you can hang it around the shoulder. Make it a shoulder strap. You have little pip pockets at the sides. Yeah, this is cool. And like this handles, and you have a little pocket over here where you can put maybe your passport or something, and some side pockets as well. Oh my god, I really love this. Oh yes, I got an old one which is from Tommy Hilfiger. The Tommy Hilfiger bag is made of cotton, so it is worn out, it doesn't look that nice anymore, and I wanted the cognac bags for so long, so I am really happy with this. Okay, I actually have to hurry now because I have to get a laser treatment, and I will change really quick, and then we can pack my bag for Sweden. So I will see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back and I already packed my suitcase for this trip. So I'm going to pack my stuff right now. Okay, so my hack already is these things. It are small bags where you can put all your stuff in it so you can organize it. I have 6 per package, so it will be too much for only this suitcase because I will only travel with my hand luggage this trip. And the other ones I also use when I have my full suitcase with me. So I'm just going to use 1 pack of these and to fill it. I got a shirt to sleep in, and I already got some gifts which I bought for Rebecca. It's really cute. I already packed it because I like to give gifts, and of course because I'm going to stay at Rebecca's place. So that's something I have to pack as well. So I hope it will all fit because this is already taking a lot of space. So that's it. And now I will just start packing, I guess. As I'm going to Sweden, it will get very cold. I will be there for 3 days. And I think I have to get at least 2 outfits. We also might go out, so I have to get some party stuff as well. I have to figure out what to take because I can't take too much, because as you can see my suitcase isn't that big for my hand luggage. So I will first start with the essentials and then just go on. Okay, so I didn't figure out what I want to get along, so that will be a difficult part now because I'm still looking and figuring it out. So I will see you soon when I packed some more of my stuff. I packed some pajamas, some underwear and socks. That are the presents for Rebecca. Some really warm sweaters with like a blouse and some shirts, and here a black kind of leather looking legging, and here trousers. And I'm going to pack them in those bags and then I'm gonna fit it in there. The only thing I need some more is some makeup and stuff, and then that's it for now. Okay, so I'm almost done now, as you can see. I will show you what it looks like. These are my pajamas, my outfits for the days, the presents. That are my socks and underwear, and I will just close this one, which goes really smoothly. Then I can put some toiletries in there and then I'm already done. And I actually packed some pajamas which are kind of old or I want to get rid of. So after I have used them over there, I can just leave them, and I have some extra space if I buy some stuff, so I can dispose my socks over there, my pajamas, and it's really nice because I have some extra space. Of course the presents for Rebecca also stay over there, so I have a lot of space left then, and I can buy stuff again. So that's it for today. I packed my stuff to go to Sweden. I will close my suitcase soon and then I will just go there. As you will see this video, I will already be there, and I will also record a Q&A with Rebecca. We also go a day to Copenhagen and we will stay in Sweden, so that's really nice. I'm looking forward to see her again. If you guys liked this video, please hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to receive notifications about my next uploads. And I will see you in Sweden. Bye bye! In Sweden.